Health and fitness tracker Whoop announcing the completion of a $200 million funding round that values the company at $3.6 billion. That's nearly triple its value from less than a year ago. The Series F round was led by SoftBank's Vision Fund 2 and will help Whoop develop more technology and enter new markets. It's already an official partner of the LPGA and PGA Tour, like we were just discussing with Dom. It has raised funds from all-star athletes like Super Bowl champ Patrick Mahomes, NBA star Kevin Durant, and pro golfers Rory McIlroy and Justin Thomas. Here now for a first on CNBC interview is Whoop founder and CEO Will Ahmed. Will, congratulations and thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
How do you get people to wear Whoop when their Apple Watch does so much health tracking already?
Well, the focus for Whoop is really on unlocking human performance. You know, the product itself is really just a small sensor, and it's designed to continuously measure everything about strain and recovery and sleep. I think that our focus on behavior change and health monitoring has really been a differentiator for us in the market. You know, there's a lot of products or wearables, I should say, that have so many features that you wonder what specifically they're actually set out to do. Whereas for Whoop, it's very clear what we've set out to do, and it's to be the best health monitor on the market. And unfortunately, Whoop members around the world are experiencing that because when they've been on Whoop, they change their behavior and they improve their health.
So if I'm using a Whoop device and I am Justin Thomas and I'm playing a round of golf, what am I going to do in looking at that device that's going to help me shoot a better score?
Well, for professional athletes and very serious competitors, there's a big focus on recovery. So if you're a professional golfer like Justin or Rory or others, a lot of it comes back to understanding that other 20 hours of the day when you're not playing golf, or at least in a competitive setting. You know, how are you recovering from that time? What are you eating? Are you preparing for bed properly? How's travel affecting you? What sorts of supplements are you putting in your body? I think the notion that you're a professional athlete only when you're playing has changed. You're a professional athlete 24/7. And it turns out that same technology that we've applied to the best athletes in the world is now working for everyday folks who want to better understand their bodies and how they can perform better in their daily lives.
So how does Whoop know whether I'm putting sautéed squash in my body or sitting after a round and eating Cheetos and drinking a six? How does it know?
It's quite a diet you got there. One of the unique
You should see me on a good day.
Yeah. One of the unique capabilities of Whoop is that it has a Whoop journal where you can actually input 70 to 80 different lifestyle and behavior decisions and see how they affect your body. So, for example, people tracking alcohol consumption, different supplements they take, different diets that they take, maybe a new lifestyle decision like introducing meditation, mindfulness. So it's even prescription drugs and things of that nature. People are tracking on Whoop. And what Whoop does a good job of showing you is, okay, these 2 or 3 things are positive for your body and these 2 or 3 things are negative. And then you as an individual can respond accordingly.
And we can see more than ever Whoop's presence. I mean, when we're literally watching these golf tournaments, there's a little number on the screen, a little icon, if you want to call it that. There it is during the PGA Tour. And that's giving you their heartbeat, I guess, in real time. So it's kind of a fun way to really visualize more of what's going on in these players' bodies, even as they're performing out there on the course. Well, I just want to ask you kind of the obvious question for our audience. How do you make money?
Good question. We sell a subscription. We charge anywhere from $18 to $30 a month, and everything's included. So hardware, software, analytics, all comes with the subscription. Whoop is really the first wearables business to be entirely a subscription. And you can sign up for as little as $30, and we send you this sophisticated piece of hardware in the mail included. And then it's really up to us to prove that we can deliver value to you every day, every week, every month, every year as part of that subscription. So I think the Whoop business model is one of the things that's most unique about the company.
Well, I think I know my gift for Tyler this year for Christmas. Will, thanks for joining us. It's good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Will Ahmed of Whoop.